sorry, didn't see you there. Hi, I'm Eleni and happy National Science Week. Today I'm going to show you some science you can do at home using my very favourite demonstration, which I like to call the shouting bowl. So to start with, you'll need a bowl, some cling wrap and some salt. We're going to pour it on top. Sorry, I've just used my inside voice. So to start with, you'll need a bowl, some plastic wrap and some salt. You're going to pour the salt on top with the plastic wrap stretched nice and tight over the bowl. You also may want to warm up your voice. So try, I don't know, yodeling or singing opera. Take a deep breath and let the shouting begin. Loud noises. Beautiful. So what's happening here? Well, all sound is vibration, which we can't see with our eyes, but those vibrations create sound waves which move through the air. When those sound waves hit the plastic wrap, they cause the salt to dance up and down and move so we can see the sound in action. This bowl is actually quite similar to our eardrum, which has a thin, tight membrane, making it sensitive to sound. See what you can do at home and experiment with different pitches and notes in your voice and see what happens to the salt when it dances up and down. And happy National Shouting Week, I mean Science Week.